So here is the LifeWatch box. Have some of the features listed on the back and on the side. So you can slide out the outer sleeve and pull out the wristband and the watch. Also included is a charging cable and a quick start guide and user manual. So the quick start guide is going to just tell you a few short things that'll help you get your watch up and running. And the user manual is going to give more in-depth explanation as to all the features that the watch has. There's a bunch of information in here. So real quick, you'll just want to attach the spring-loaded bands to the watch. Then you can use the magnetic quick link charging cable on your watch. Snaps right into place to make charging really easy. And it's a pretty comfortable watch to wear. Soft silicone band, and the band tucks right into itself. So to power it on, you just need to click the button on the side and hold for about 5 seconds, and the watch will start right up. See some of the different features the watch has: Find My Phone, music, blood pressure, heart rate monitor, calorie burn, and let's not forget the most important one, body temperature scanning. The watch also includes a flashlight right on the side. Overall, yeah, you're not going to find a watch that's more powerful at this price point.